Okay, so you saw me pick my idea in real time, financiallyabundant.com. And now I'm going to build this website. I'm going to show you what I use first, okay? And then we'll talk about all the resources. My main thing is I don't want you to get bogged down with the tech stuff. The tech stuff is very easy. You know, I'll have a link or something. You can email me if you need help. I'll just show you what I use. And there's reasons that I use what I use because I've been doing this for forever. And these are the tools that I like. The metaphor I like to use is like, nobody cares what typewriter Hemingway used, right? Nobody cares what kind of piece of paper Shakespeare wrote his plays down that live on forever and ever and ever. Okay, so it doesn't really matter what tech you use. I personally don't use ClickFunnels or a bunch of expensive stuff. I have a very simple thing that I use, and it's just because it works. Okay, there's always going to be nerds that want to argue over what web developer, what thing you want to use. Like, in the end, as long as it just works and makes you money, that's all that matters. Okay, now let's get into it. So this is live. I'm going to try and do it as fast as I can by keeping you still like step by step. You know what I mean? So don't get too bored or whatever, but I'll also edit a lot of it out. So let me know in the comments if you like it or if there's missing parts. Okay, let's get into it. All right, so I buy all my domains on Google. All right, good old Google. All right, and then I make WordPress websites because it's simple. And then for hosting is basically where your website lives. I use SiteGround. Been using SiteGround for a long time. They're cheap, they're affordable, and they're badass. So, and I'm going to have all the affiliate links down below. Please use them. Every time you use one of my affiliate links, I'll give my dog Sprocket a treat, a gift from you to my dog. All right, appreciate that. All right, so we're going to create a new web, and this is once you're logged into SiteGround. So SiteGround, you see that little dude, SiteGround. Existing domain, because I bought the domain. The domain is just the website, right? It's financiallyabundant.com. I bought it on Google Domains. Start a new website. We're just going to do WordPress. All right. We're going to use don't need that. Really fast. Bada bing, bada boom. Here's one of those technical things that you just learn from doing this a million times. So you go back to the domain that you bought in Google. You go to the DNS thing. All right. You click on custom service. You do manage servers. Saved, things are connected. We go to the website, and this is that was just connecting SiteGround to Google. All right, we're going to go to WordPress. Go down here, click this little door button. We don't need the site wizard, and boom, our website is up and running. Financiallyabundant.com. Another reason I really like SiteGround is you see how we got this weird thing right here. So Google won't even show your website unless you have the S. And a lot of stupid other hosting platforms will charge you, whereas SiteGround does it for free. So I'll fix that in a minute. Okay, and now we're going to install the plugin that I use. I use Thrive Themes. That's what it's called. Conversion Focus. And the reason I like Thrive is because I can sell courses, I can make websites super fast, and I can rank them with SEO. If you don't know what that is, that's fine. Anyways, this is Thrive Themes. Again, please use my affiliate links down below. All right, let's install, activate plugin. You got to update it. It's funny. I bought them back when it was 1.2.3 version, and now it's like version 5.0 or something like that. But I only downloaded the original one. Okay, we're going to go to Product Manager. Going to log in. You might have a different sequence because you're going to be using these tools for the first time. But this is how you do it, man. And none of this stuff costs a lot. I think it's like under $100. Okay. We use Thrive Architect. And I think I'm going to use Thrive Apprentice as well because I'm going to sell courses. Sell a course for financial abundance. Maybe I'll write a book or something. And then so Thrive Apprentice, Thrive Architect. And then I want to be able to split test. Yeah, so Thrive Optimize. It also has a theme builder, but I'm literally showing you how to build this funnel right here, okay? So one opt-in page, one order page, one upsell, one thank you page, okay? I'm going to show you how to make a logo real quick. Now, this is not going to be my best work. You should spend a little more time on your stuff. The faster you get to market, the faster you get to money. Thing is I don't want it to come off as too spammy. You know what I'm saying? So I want it to look good. Oh, I got to spend all this money to make a fancy logo. I mean, you should take some time, really make a really cool looking logo that you really like. You download it. I usually do a transparent background back here. All right, so the first thing we do is we customize. We go to customize. We don't have a home page yet, but I just want to do the site identity. Abundant, break free of the money game. Why not? And then we want to add our site icon, which is why I was making the logo. And these are our options. They're all really cool. You can do. So we're going to be doing a product focus because we literally are not going to use any of these pages. But all that really matters is like, but you get to look at them. They got some really cool ones. You know, they make good pages. They make pretty websites. We're not going to make a pretty website, so it doesn't matter, is what I was saying. But I'll still show you the 3 that they give you. There's more. This one looks pretty crisp. Digging it. And I like this one too. I think that's probably going to be one we pick because it looks professional. This looks financially. Upload my logo. We did like light blue on my logo. I like fine. Basically just click through all this stuff. All right, cool. My site looks like now. Bada bing, bada boom. Or let's make an opt-in page. Home page is going to be literally a landing page. So we click on this little thing actually. Completely blank. There we go. Now we got it. All right. So when you're creating an opt-in page, like there has to be a reason that they're going to opt in. All right. But we're literally just going to have one written word and a button. Super, super basic. Okay. So text, header, and a button. Keep it stupid simple. Okay. And I mean, I'm going to make the button red because I'm aggressive. Right. And then I like to put something either really, really basic or contradicting. So let's do the contradicting one. Let's say right in the middle of the page. And then when they click this, they'll either have a little pop-up that makes them put their information in. So let's create that next. Get the on-demand training to start your financially abundant journey today. We'll make it a little smaller. And then this is a smart thing, so it'll make it look on your phone. Okay, cool. And I think I'll probably change it to something controversial, something that says like, becoming financially abundant is not what you think. Something like that. Sorry. Once this is all done, you will see the entire process. But we're just getting this thing built, and we're going to do it lightning fast. It's just so you know, like you could be making money today. All right, so the next part of our funnel is a light box, which is a pop-up. It's just basically a lead gen pop-up. Opt in. Maybe I'll make the headline on this thing. So I like to just add a little bit of flair to these things. Almost there. There we are. Becoming financially free is not generation. Drop down below for some reason. And all we want is all I really need is their email. We'll do name and email because usually I'll make people give me their phone number because I'll call them and I'm a dick and I'll just like call them. But not call them like in a bad way, but just like I'll just make sure like, yo, like I could really help you out with your finances. This is actually kind of a big deal. The fonts I like are the old school copywriter fonts. You wouldn't think it matters, but it kind of does for some reason. Because different fonts say different things for some reason. And then later we have to connect this to our CRM, which is just our email. But we're done with this for now. Or sign up. We're going to offer a on-demand training. Cool. Makes it look kind of, fancier too. All right, but you click this. We're going to connect it to our opt-in page. And I did not connect it, the opt-in to the next page, but whatever. Preview. And we've officially built our opt-in page. Get the on-demand training to start your financially abundant journey today. You click this. Becoming financially free is not what you think. Fill in your information and get instant access to the on-demand training. Bada bing, bada boom. close. And we're going to build the order page. And we'll just call it, usually I might try and do SEO, but let's just look at some of the pre-built pages, but I'll probably just start from scratch. But I just want to show you guys some more cool stuff about Thrive themes, because hopefully you'll want to use them. Smart. This is like a webinar style page. Yield, double your audience in 30 days. Let's check it out. Because this is pretty much what I want our page to look like. Okay, so they opted in. They're now going to get a training, and like we could either do the training or we could use our copy and we could send them to a copy page. You know, like for this one, I basically have a little thing right here, and then they're here, and then this is the whole sales page. So no video, just a really nice piece of copy that sells like crazy. And then we go to buy the product. Cool. So this is kind of what I want it to look like. We obviously don't have the video yet. We don't have the copy yet. We don't really even have anything. But this button is going to basically make them buy. And the only other thing I like to do is, I think personally, sometimes people are lazy and they do want to buy, but they just want to be able to see it at the top. So as soon as they land on the page, they just click here. All right, reveal double your audience in 30 days. Revealed the roadmap to financial abundance. Brought to you by Robert Lyon. All right, and then I should probably, whatever. Don't get started. Get business. So I already got their email. So I'm just gonna say this course is 97 to put it in there, just so they don't get shocked or whatever. Where red? Even though red is kind of scary, but where? Of course it. Or I could sell coaching, or I could sell, leads to financial services. This is just the beginning. We're just kind of brainstorming still. So I have to like change the. Okay, whatever. All right, so we got that page kind of done. I guess what we don't have, we got to think of our order page. We got to think of our upsell and the thank you page. So the tech that I use to sell my courses, let's say we're going to sell this as a course, right? That's kind of the plan that I'm thinking in my mind. I don't have a book. I can make some videos, or I can interview a lot of people on how to become financially abundant on my podcast, or I can find somebody who's an abundance coach that is ready to go and wants to partner up with me. All right, we're going to publish that page. Publish. Now let's create the thank you page. And the reason we like the thank you page, let's set up our course. Okay, so we go to course is going to be financially abundant. And this is why I love Thrive themes, because look, it's all on one website. I don't have to go to like Kajabi or any of that shit that charges you, $100 a month and all that kind of stuff. So add page, name your design. Hit the design. This. Really gonna need to make a new logo, but it looks all right. You know what's cool about this course is like most people don't have any financial training, and they really probably could use that. Let's just do, I don't know what, I like this one, I guess. Call to action, continue. I'll have to make a menu. Maybe in the menu I'll have it linked to my coaching or something like that. All right, so this is for the footer. Nobody cares about the footer. And I mean, this is just building the course. Like, this is what it's literally going to look like. You're probably literally watching this course inside of a course. Very meta. I don't have a menu yet, so we'll do that later. Again, we're going to tweak all this a lot later. And don't get overwhelmed. But this is building it all for you. Like, you don't have to do anything. You literally just have to start making the videos or the content that you're going to put into this program. How to build a course with board. And boom, we now have a course. We got to make the course, actually. And this will be cool. I'm actually really excited I did this. And y'all get to watch it happen. So this always trips me up. So save. You just got to publish one lesson. Course doesn't exist, and it's just really annoying because you can't. You're like, why can't I see anything? Blah, 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 blah. There we go. So you got to publish one course, and now the course is up. So, I mean, that's literally the beginning. Training page, financially abundant. We got the course. We're off and running. All right, now let's set up something else. All right, now I'm going to create the cart. The cart that I like to use, Thrive Cart. And you don't have to use Thrive Cart. You can totally just use WooCommerce with Thrive themes to sell your course. I like Thrive Cart for a couple of reasons. Number one, it's easy. It's already hooked up to my stuff. This is a new one. Create a product. And the CRM we'll be using is ConvertKit. But I'm probably going to be switching from ConvertKit to ActiveCampaign. So first things first. Let's create our product, financially abundant course. All right, we're going to keep it on test mode. We've already decided it's going to be $97. Just made that up. We could make it like a $7, $100. Only one-time purchase. Save. All right, so $100, $97. Let's go to next. Now we will need to make an upsell. Maybe like a free financial coaching call or other content, or maybe this course or something. Let's just make up one real quick. All right, upsell. We'll do $297 for coaching call or financial coaching call. The customer must click to add to order. But yeah, we'll have a financial call. Bump type digital payment processor. We'll do Stripe and PayPal. Save. Next. This is why I like ThriveCart, because I do want affiliates to be able to sell this with me 50-50 for 7 days. Cool. After 7 days. Cool. So now whenever we sell a course for $97, if I have an affiliate sell it, they will get 50%. Cool. And they get also 50% of the order bump, which is pretty dope. And we're not going to mess with that right now. Support email. I really should have made a custom email just for this in the beginning, but I did not. So this is where you want to link it up. Okay, so send them to a membership site. Not to this one. Thrive Apprentice. And I'm going to need to add another Thrive integration. We're going to add these guys now. Membership site is, what is it called again? Oh, yeah. Financially abundant. Here we go. We'll steal this right here. Copy. Boom. And then we just need to get the Thrive API key. Well, actually, I'm going to connect this to ConvertKit while I'm here. Okay. So you go to ConvertKit. This. Copy. Back over here. So now this is connected to my internet, or to my email. Okay, but in order to connect this course, copy that, save, go back to Thrive Cart, plug it in here. Boom. And now it's connected, which is dope. I need to create a tag though. Things. Save. All right, we got a new tag now. I think that might be all we need. Okay, whatever. So now it's set up. Let's go back to product. Edit. How is it untitled? All right. Now that we got that all set up, let's just build a, let's make a pop-up just in case I want to do it. So now you can edit it. Make it look like whatever you want. And you can make this look like solution, abundance. And I don't really need the two-step cart. So single step. Cool. Enter your credit card in here or remove this. Don't miss this offer. 7. Cool. Next, I am going to add a button just because you guys will probably go through the same struggle that I've gone through if you're doing this way. There we go. So inside of our thingamajigger, I mean, they'll probably get, they will get an email after they pay because we're going to set that up right now. But you still just want to make it as simple as possible for them to be able to log into their account so that you don't get a bunch of, or I guess that was actually fine. Okay, save work, save and preview. Boop, copy that link. And then we're going to do this. Cool. And we need to change. Cool. Okay, next. That's done. We literally have the cart. You can add your tracking stuff here. We do need to add them to ConvertKit. Tag. We're going to click on financially abundant. Save. Cool. Copy button code. Let's go back to our sales page. In order to put the Thrive thing on, you got to put the code in there, which is not super hard, but we'll do it for you. We'll show you what's up. So take this, put it right there. Yeah, and then it always pisses me off that it doesn't go into the center, so we got to do center. I am the world's greatest coder. You see this action? Boom. This is cool. All right, save and preview. And we are good to go. Oh, there's a secret. All right, cool. Yeah, we're good. I mean, people could literally come to this bullshit page and start giving me money. A few more things. Fucking cool, man. All right, Thrive Apprentice. Just a couple more thingamajigs that you guys will want to know when you're doing this sort of stuff. Let's go to settings. Let's go to, I want this email to go out. Save. Whenever somebody signs up through ThriveCart, create like a new rule somewhere. Oh yeah, you go to courses, click on the thing, go to restrictions, premium course, restrictions, add a product, that, access requirements. So you can also just use WooCommerce. So you don't need to use ThriveCart. The reason I like ThriveCart though is because I can make affiliate people make me a bunch of money using it. All right, we got to create a new rule. Purchase protection. All right, let's test it out. Page. Click here. Robert. Boom. Now we're here. I wish we need to make this button a little bigger. Click it. It's in test mode right now. So let's buy the whole dilly wop. I need to re-edit this little page a little bit, make it a little nicer, but whatever. Complete order. And the real thing is if I get an email with my login information. I did. Take me to the training. They log in. And they start watching the courses. All right, cool. And of course, we just still gotta set up the course and stuff like that. But that's the next phase. People can literally start giving me money and be making me financially abundant. And you too. All right, so that literally took probably like an hour and a half of life. It wasn't that bad. You can do it. All the affiliate links are down below if you want to use these products. Again, there's other ways. And I'll show you those other ways too. This is just what I use, and this is what I like using because it makes everything super simple. You saw how fast I did that. I know how to use this stuff. If you have any of the software, or if you use my affiliate link to buy some of the software and you need help with some, I'll help you though. I'll personally come in there and click some stuff and make shit work for you. All right. That was fun. And we basically built our entire funnel. Like we could literally start running traffic to this and nobody would buy anything because it's not done, but we're almost there. Now we just have to finalize the how we're going to basically build this course and what we're going to do to basically make sure that it's good. I'm going to actually go back now to phase 1 again, write all the copy, and really start to dive into, figuring out what my angle is going to be, why they're going to buy. And then once we have it all up and running, I'll either find someone who wants to partner with me or I'll find some other things that I can sell. All right, it's going to be really cool. I'm excited, and I hope you guys are enjoying this. Peace.